Hello everyone, my name is Kwaku and I am here at Wine Volvo of Virginia Beach taking a look at their Volvo XC60, taking a deeper look at the driver information display. So what you see in front of you here is the dash, the dash. So you're gonna see the speedometer. You're gonna see all of the gauges on the sides. You're gonna see, whether you're in park, whether you're in whatever you want. You're gonna see just a lot. So I believe you just, to get into park, you just go back as usual, and you can just go back into everything. So, but yeah, so you can go into, you can pretty much see a lot of the functions in here. You can see where you're parked, what you're doing when you're parked. You can see the information there. You can see you can see a lot of things. If I zoom in here, you can see the map a little easier and kind of see the kind of location, the time, see the weather information on the top right, see the weather kind of headlights you have on right now. You have that middle gauge up there that kind of will change depending on what you're doing. You have lane information, and then you also have the time on the right. If I zoom out a little bit, let me pull back real quick. So you can kind of see here, you see the miles per hour. You can change that middle design there, whether you want to see just different things. When you're doing a GPS, we currently set a GPS just to show you guys how it looks when you have a GPS running. So if I use the dial here on the steering wheel right here from the pan back, if I use this dial right here, you're gonna see that this is what will control exactly what you're doing. So if you look up here, let me let this thing focus. There you go. So you're gonna see here, if I press the information button, I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys that. Actually, let me let this rest right here. So I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys that you can see a lot of the information here. This is actually the destination we chose. It's actually in Georgia, even though we're not actually going to Georgia. This navigation tab only shows up when we are actually navigating to a place. So it would be grayed out if we're not navigating to anything. To the left of it, you have the phone. To the right of it, or to the left of that, you have different media options, whether you want AM, FM, Sirius, Bluetooth, and all that stuff. And you have your trip information to the left of that. You can kind of just go down and try to see all your trip information if you actually care about all that stuff. Your odometer readings and stuff like that, because obviously you don't really see your odometer too much, even though what you see there, it's actually over there too. So you see your odometer down there, and then while we're on the left side, you also see your speedometer. You have your analog one, and then in the center of that you have your digital. The speed limit, which is a very good thing. I know for a fact, like if I'm going to a new place, sometimes I don't even know the speed limit of certain places, so it's nice to just have the information right there. And then down there you have more car options, and then you have your odometer right below that, and then you have other things for like your miles. So yeah, so that pretty much is in a nutshell what you have on the dash. In the next video, I'm going to show you something more about the vertical display that they have here. So you can see the vertical display right here. It looks pretty cool. It's got a lot of themes, but I'll talk more about that in the other video. Have a good day.